Alright, this is just a quick video on the rebuild of Jack, the K20 that I'm working on. This is a quick little repair I made to one of these vents. I always wondered as a kid, like, how did these things operate? I had some broken plastic inside, so I took some rubber tubing and made a couple of little fittings, 3 as a matter of fact, to get this mechanism to work correctly again. These little cups here, they break off really easily. They're super brittle, and if you've got a old Chevy truck, yours are probably broken. This is how I fixed it. Put it back together, and so while I had it apart, I just took some basic paint and just kind of freshened it up a little bit. Put this back together and show you. It all just press fits back together. Almost as good as new. That's it. Have a good evening.